maximum and minimum value of the expression. So your expression is ax square plus bx plus c is equal where a not equal to 0. This is your quadratic expression. When it gives you maximum value, when it gives you minimum value, you take any x value, substitute in it. Definitely it has either maximum or minimum one value. Whatever it may be, you take x value, all values comes either less than that or greater than that. Maximum and minimum value of quadratic expression. Already you have seen the graphs. When a is greater than 0, your graph is open upwards. When a is less than 0, your graph is open downwards. So here you get it, the graph, 3 types of graphs you have here. Just one type I am drawing here. So this is the graph. Is it graph when a greater than 0? This is the graph for a is less than 0. Because if a less than 0, x square coefficient less than 0, then your graph is a downward parabola. When a is greater than 0, then your graph is upward parabola. This is a upward parabola, this is downward parabola. Here this turning point is called vertex. In fact, for this expression, it is the maximum value. Its y value is called maximum value and its x value, this is one point, no, this point x coordinate is, when we substitute this x value, definitely you get its corresponding y value. What is it? Is it vertex or not? Yes, it is the vertex. What is the vertex? Tell me. Your vertex is minus b by 2a comma 4ac minus b square by 4a. Its x value is minus b by 2a. When we are substituting minus b by 2a in this expression, your output will get 4ac minus b square by 4a will get. What do you get? When you are substituting minus b by 2a in this expression, you are getting its corresponding y value is 4ac minus b square by 4a. Is it possible the value which is greater than this? దీనికంటే గ్రేటర్ అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుందా మీకు? రాదు. ఎందుకంటే దట్ గ్రాఫ్ మ్యాక్సిమం వాల్యూ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ హియర్ ఓన్లీ. నువ్వు ఎనీ సపోజ్ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ టేక్ క్రోర్స్ తీసుకున్న మ్యాక్సిమం వాల్యూ దీనికి ఇదైనా ఉంటుంది, ఇంతకంటే తక్కువైనా ఉంటుంది, కానీ ఎక్కువ ఉండే అవకాశమే లేదు. వెదర్ ద వాల్యూ ఈజ్ లెస్ దాన్ దిస్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు దిస్, బట్ దెర్ ఈజ్ నో వే దట్ వాల్యూ బి మోర్ దాన్ 4ac minus b square by 4a. Okay, so that's why this expression has a maximum value. When the expression has maximum value, when x square coefficient is negative, that expression has maximum value. What is the minimum value for this graph? Minimum value, here it extends indefinitely, there is no minimum value. So if a less than 0, then that quadratic expression has maximum value. That maximum value is 4ac minus b square by 4a. When it will get? When we are taking x equal to minus b by 2a. You take a x value minus b by 2a, you are getting your y value is 4ac minus b square by 4a. That value only maximum value, because here your x square coefficient is less than 0. Now observe here. This is a greater than 0. This is a greater than 0. So that's why it is open upwards. So what is the vertex here? Tell me. Vertex is constant. So what is that vertex? Minus b by 2a comma. Here your vertex is minus b by 2a comma 4ac minus b square by 4a. This is your vertex. Now observe. Is it possible to take a value which is smaller than 4ac minus b square by 4a? అంటే 4ac minus b square by 4a కంటే లెస్సర్ వాల్యూ తీసుకోగలమా? కాంట్ టేక్ ఇట్, బికాస్ ద గ్రాఫ్ టర్న్స్ అట్ దిస్ పాయింట్ ఓన్లీ. అంటే ఈ పాయింట్ దగ్గరికి వచ్చి ఇలా మ్యాక్సిమం నుంచి ఇలా మినిమం వస్తూ ఇక్కడ నుంచి మళ్ళీ ఏమైపోతుంది, మ్యాక్సిమం అయిపోతుంది వాల్యూ. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ద మినిమం వాల్యూ వెన్ ద క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ హ్యాస్ మినిమం వాల్యూ. వెన్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ మినిమం వాల్యూ, వెన్ a is positive. If a is greater than 0, x square coefficient is greater than 0, then only that equation has a minimum value. What is maximum value of this graph? Minus b by 2a is the x coordinate. When we are substituting minus b by 2a in this expression, output gets you 4ac minus b square by 4a. Output is on y-axis, input is on x-axis. So maximum value means this graph must be ended, but this graph is indefinitely extends. So its maximum value does not exist. Minimum value 4ac minus b square by 4a. Maximum value does not exist. When will be maximum value does not exist? When a is greater than 0. What is the minimum value? What is the minimum value of quadratic expression when a is greater than 0? 4ac minus b square by 4a. What is the minimum value of a expression when a is less than 0? What is the minimum value? Your value is does not exist. Fantastic. Now I am giving you one problem. Find out maximum and minimum values of it. See, your problem is x square plus x plus 1. It is your quadratic expression. Find the maximum value, find the minimum value. Okay, whether maximum or minimum, by which value of x it gets. 3 questions I am giving you. First question, find the maximum value of it. Observe once. I am telling you this problem, listen carefully. One more problem I am giving you. First, your concentration on x square coefficient. What is your x square coefficient? X square coefficient is positive. So that's why a greater than 0. A value 1, no? So x square coefficient positive. If x square coefficient is positive, then your graph is open upwards. Open upwards means it has a minimum. So that's why there is no maximum value. So that's why maximum value is equal to does not exist. Because x square coefficient positive, no? X square coefficient is positive, it is open upwards. It has a minimum value. There is no maximum. It indefinitely extends. Okay, what is minimum value? Your minimum value is 4ac minus b square by 4a. 4ac minus b square by 4a. Now substitute. Your a value is 1, b value is 1, c value is 1. Substitute in it. 4 minus 1 into 1, 1, no. 4 minus 1 by 4. So your answer is 3 by 4. So your maximum value of this expression is 3 by 4. Now x value crores వేసుకో, నీకు వచ్చే అవుట్పుట్ వాల్యూ 3 by 4 కంటే లెస్ ఉండే అవకాశమే లేదు. బిగ్గర్ కెన్ బి, ఓకే, బికాస్ దెర్ ఈజ్ డస్ నాట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్. మ్యాక్సిమం వాల్యూ క్యాన్, బట్ మినిమం వాల్యూ 3 by 4 కంటే తక్కువే వచ్చే అవకాశమే లేదు. సపోజ్ యూ టేక్ ఏ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ -1000, ఈవెన్ దో your output is, your y value is definitely will get greater than 3 by 4. 3 by 4 కంటే ఎక్కువే వస్తుంది కానీ తక్కువ వచ్చే అవకాశమే లేదు. బై విచ్ వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ యూ గెట్ 3 by 4 అంటే ఎక్స్కి ఏ వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే నీకు 3 by 4 వస్తుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్, యువర్ థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఇట్. వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ కరస్పాండింగ్ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ? -b by 2a. minus b by 2, say minus 1 by 2. So you substitute in place of x minus 1 by 2, definitely you get the value 3 by 4. That is your minimum value. Maximum value does not exist. Minimum value at x equal to dash, at x equal to minus 1 by 2. X value minus 1 by 2 దగ్గర నీకు ఏమొస్తుంది? మినిమం వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ యూ వన్ ప్రాబ్లం, ఫటాఫట్ యూ డూ ఇట్. -2x square plus 3x minus 5. It is your equation. Find the maximum value, minimum value, and where we'll be getting by which value of x you are getting either minimum or maximum. 3 questions. Minimum value undefined, fantastic. See here, x square coefficient is negative, x square is coefficient negative, so that's why minimum value does not exist because it is open downwards. Your minimum value does not exist, fantastic, does not exist. What is your maximum value? Maximum value, substitute here 4ac minus b square by 4a. Your x value is 4, your a value is minus 2, your c value is minus 5, 4ac minus b square means 3 square by 4a minus 2. So what do you get? Observe, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40 minus 9 by 4 2s are 8 minus 8. So 40 minus 9, you get it 31. Minus 31 by 8 is getting, observe, minus 31 by 8, your maximum value. Where will be getting? By which value of x you get it? Find out x value. Your x value. 3 by 4, huh?
3 by 4.
Yes, x equal to minus b by 2a. B value is 3 and your a value is minus 2. So your x value is 3 by 4. Fantastic. You substitute x value here, 3 by 4, definitely you are getting minus 31 by 8. నీకు ఏమొస్తుంది? పక్కా minus 31 by 8 వస్తుంది. Okay, this is the maximum minimum value concept in your module.